Most men have no idea what women truly find irresistible, and that's where they fail. This isn't about superficial qualities, like good looks or money. It's about understanding deeper truths that women wish men could grasp. These insights aren't common knowledge, but once you learn them, you'll never approach attraction the same way again. Stick with me, because this is information most men will never understand. 1. Confidence is irresistible, not arrogance. You've probably heard that confidence is key, but let me break it down for you. Women don't want a man who pretends to be perfect. They're drawn to a man who's comfortable in his own skin. Confidence signals security and capability. It says, I can handle life, and I can handle you. But here's the twist. Arrogance is the exact opposite. It's insecurity wrapped in a cloak of bravado. Studies in social psychology reveal that confidence activates the same reward centers in the brain as pleasure and safety. Think about this. When you're confident, you make people feel secure. When you're arrogant, you create discomfort. A confident man walks into a room knowing he belongs there. He doesn't brag about his achievements. His actions speak for themselves. Meanwhile, arrogance is a defense mechanism for men who lack self-assurance. Women can spot the difference instantly, and they'll always choose the man who makes them feel safe over the one trying too hard. Here's an example. Imagine you're on a date. A confident man listens attentively, maintains eye contact, and doesn't feel the need to dominate the conversation. An arrogant man interrupts, talks excessively about himself, and tries to impress with material things. Which one do you think she'll text back? Confidence wins every time. 2. Small gestures speak louder than grand ones. Stop thinking that women want elaborate displays of affection all the time. The truth is, it's the small, consistent gestures that matter most. Why? Because these gestures show that you're paying attention. Women value thoughtfulness over extravagance. Research from the Gottman Institute highlights how micro moments of connection are the foundation of lasting relationships. Something as simple as remembering her favorite coffee order or sending a good luck text before her big meeting can make her feel seen and valued. These aren't grand romantic gestures, they're daily reminders that you care. Think about this. A man who consistently shows up for her in small ways builds trust and emotional intimacy. Compare that to a man who buys an expensive gift but is emotionally unavailable the rest of the time. Women aren't impressed by how much money you spend. They're moved by how much thought you put into your actions. 3. Emotional intelligence is a superpower. Let's get one thing straight. Emotional intelligence, EQ, isn't optional. It's a requirement. Women crave a partner who can navigate emotions with skill and empathy. If you're the type of man who dismisses feelings or gets defensive at every conflict, you're sabotaging yourself. Psychological studies have shown that high EQ is one of the strongest predictors of relationship success. Women are naturally more emotionally attuned, and they'll notice if you lack this skill. Being emotionally intelligent means you can understand and manage your own feelings while also being attuned to hers. It's about listening without trying to fix everything and validating her experience without making it about you. Here's a real-world example. She comes home frustrated about her job. The low EQ man says, "Just quit," dismissing her feelings. The high EQ man says, "That sounds tough. Want to talk about it?" See the difference? One creates distance, the other builds connection. 4. Scent and hygiene are game changers. If you think women don't notice how you smell, think again. Scent is one of the most primal forms of attraction. Studies in evolutionary psychology reveal that women are subconsciously drawn to men whose natural scent signals compatibility. But let's not confuse this with skipping deodorant. Good hygiene is non-negotiable. A subtle signature fragrance can set you apart from the crowd. Think of it as your invisible handshake. Combine that with clean nails, fresh breath, and a well-groomed appearance, and you're already miles ahead of the competition. Neglecting these basics sends a clear message. You don't care about yourself, so why should she? Picture this. 2 men walk into a room. One smells like he's just left the gym. The other smells like confidence in a bottle. Who do you think she'll remember? 5. Humor melts hearts. Laughter isn't just the best medicine. It's also one of the strongest forms of connection. Women adore men who can make them laugh, not because humor is superficial, but because it signals intelligence, creativity, and emotional resilience. Humor creates shared moments of joy that deepen your bond. Neuroscience shows that laughter releases dopamine, the happiness chemical, making her associate those positive feelings with you. But here's the kicker. Your humor has to be genuine. Forced jokes or sarcasm can backfire, making you seem inauthentic or mean-spirited. Think about it. A man who can lighten the mood during a stressful moment shows emotional strength. He's the guy who turns a boring car ride into a memorable adventure, not the one who takes himself too seriously. Women want someone who makes life more enjoyable, not more complicated. 6. Genuine interest is magnetic. Surface-level flattery gets you nowhere. If you want to truly captivate a woman, you need to show genuine interest in who she is. This means listening, really listening, to her thoughts, passions, and dreams. Studies on attraction consistently show that people are drawn to those who make them feel understood. When you're fully present in a conversation, asking thoughtful questions and remembering the details, you set yourself apart. Most men focus on talking about themselves, but the man who listens leaves a lasting impression. Here's an example. She mentions her favorite book during a conversation. A week later, you bring it up again or even gift her a copy. That level of attentiveness is rare, and it's incredibly attractive. 7. Confidence in vulnerability. There's a common misconception that vulnerability is weakness. Let me tell you something most men don't understand. Women find authentic vulnerability incredibly attractive. It shows that you're secure enough to be real. Dr. Brené Brown, a leading researcher on vulnerability, states, "Vulnerability is the birthplace of love, belonging, and joy." When you open up about your fears or failures, you create space for deeper connection. It's not about dumping your problems on her. It's about showing her that you trust her with your true self. Here's a scenario. Instead of pretending to have all the answers, you admit when you're unsure. That honesty is refreshing in a world full of pretenders. It's a sign of emotional maturity, and women respect that. 8. Physical attraction starts with effort. Let's be brutally honest. If you don't put effort into your appearance, you're sabotaging your chances. Women notice the details, your grooming, your style, even how your clothes fit. It's not about being a model, it's about showing that you care. A study from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that effort in physical appearance is directly linked to perceptions of self-respect. When you take care of yourself, it's a signal to others that you value yourself. This doesn't mean wearing designer suits. It means wearing clothes that fit well, maintaining good posture, and presenting yourself with pride. Imagine two men. One shows up in wrinkled clothes and unkempt hair, while the other is polished and put together. Who do you think she'll gravitate toward? Effort matters. 9. Intelligence and ambition are sexy. Brains and drive are incredibly attractive. Women want a man who can stimulate their minds and inspire their ambitions. Intelligence isn't just about knowing facts, it's about curiosity and the ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Ambition signals that you have goals and the determination to achieve them. It's about showing her that you're not just coasting through life, you're striving for something greater. This kind of mindset is magnetic because it promises growth and excitement. Think about this. A man with a clear vision for his life is like a lighthouse. He stands tall and steady, guiding others with his light. That's the kind of energy that women find irresistible. 10. Respect is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Attraction without respect is a dead end. Women are most drawn to men who respect their boundaries, opinions, and individuality. This isn't just about being polite, it's about truly valuing her as an equal. Respect lays the foundation for trust, admiration, and emotional safety. It means supporting her dreams, standing up for her when needed, and treating her with the same dignity you'd expect for yourself. Disrespect, on the other hand, destroys attraction faster than anything else. Here's the tough truth. If you can't respect her, you don't deserve her. Period. Respect isn't a sign of weakness. It's the ultimate display of strength and character. Finally, women wish more men understood these principles because they separate the boys from the men. The path isn't easy, but it's worth it. Become the man who doesn't just attract women, but earns their respect and admiration. The rest will follow. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.